How to monetize TikTok account. Hello guys and welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's get started. First, open up your TikTok. After you open your TikTok, go to your profile section on the bottom right. Now after you're there, tap on the three lines on the top right. Now after you tap on it, you will see an option called TikTok Studio. Tap on TikTok Studio. Now after you tap on TikTok Studio, you will get redirected to the TikTok Studio, and after there you will see monetization section. Now tap on view all. Now after you tap on view all, you will see all of the methods you can use to monetize your TikTok. Now here there are programs such as subscriptions, work with artists. Now let me view all. Now there are more, so you can check that out too. Now first you need to be eligible for that. So let us tap on one to see if we are eligible for that. So let me tap on this. Now for this to be eligible, you will need to have at least 10,000 followers and 100,000 video views in the last calendar month. So in 1 month, you will need around 100,000 video views and at least 10,000 followers. Now, after that, if you have all of those requirements, you can simply join this subscription and then you can start getting money on your TikTok. Now, there are other ways that you can use, but yeah, this is basically it. That is how you can monetize your TikTok account. And yeah, that is all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos, and bye bye.